Nua Bema Limo Elikem Kwame Amagan I made ya metin sama ubun se na matine echire metine echire kakra na ma observe me observe ya na ma dwen because me medulla oblongata no ye adwuma nti nsem bi ba ne ha e wo se ye questioning ene Monaguchi nsem na ye den aba abonten a abofre bi a wo se wakofa no as a godmother na ono so Monaguchi be fra kwan nsem me goddaughter na chese o fo obi as your godmother na chese no motu a wo tu and our lifestyle all living already automatically we better than a role model. So what you say? We better than a role model. Now also we godmother no who make sure say our life our be living be empathy e wa akola no so na akola no abeye akola pa even though na wo for ne papa ne mama e wo but won so no wo ba be part of the upbringing of that child because obehwe and also you make effort to do things as a godmother. Na akola no so wo hwe wo no na chese na hu yie mu na bra bo se na obekasa obedwem ni na osi. This is the positive vibe between asema and behind asema ye friend goddaughter and the godmother issue. Nansu Nancy in the current world I want I had to say godmother and goddaughter no e wo Ghana ha any slave queens no man e kono sa goddaughter and godmother issue no it is becoming a thing of the past and asema wo se nipa e kan wasem ye na ye mama Monaguchi baby a uwo bia sa abofre de all kanon e ye no kra na anya no kra bra ne be yi hu ano no obi be ka se bia wo ma abofra na attention but obi to me solely enter issue obi image say ba munu ya be mali mo Elikem Kwame Amagan meti ano me si me pese me pense enim forget about the issue say Monaguchi asem ne ye ka se wafa goddaughter or the ye lesbianism but recently coming to this decade aye remu no aye be ra decade we mu no aye to say there have been a trend as ekusu ena ye the ekoso say young girl bia wie SS now who ababa we bia all ye self independent and now or live some lavish life in the society now kola man o we SS no want to go work with that person it will only sani pani person munantia na opeso ni nipa like opeso oben nipa no say ni nipa no na brabo no say ne ekono ono so live that good life and that good example now so empempri no enkola ne ben samba we ya one anytime bi akola no wo SS oba ko hia sa sister bi ana oba bi owo area mu a aso no ye no slave queen ono onye slave queen as a prema ote ne ho oye self independent kola no hwe se wo me di me bo sister we a mesuma be yes on na mesuma be sen on no empempri kola ne be omo a one say small girl no boyfriend na boy ni skape na sister na start take chen wo fo he ni boyfriend na obebre na kola ni ti at all cost akola ni boyfriend obepe kwan no ni boyfriend ni jai no we say ebia boyfriend wo vision or mission be vision be na purpose be in life oba achieve slave queen be make sure say akola na godmother no obe make sure akola no be ka chen say emfa broke boys o hwe me na me won say ma fa broke boy da ememo mo work an kwa na me fa ememo mo scan na me no mo nante and all the time bia oni sa godmother ni nam no o sesam be mem and wo ye call bia it's always about money it akola ni depending na to say e wo say me so me pesca o and Kofi Boachia me ni na mi pa de omboa me Kwame ben say on me na mi omboa me it at all cost no aguga no wo boyfriend even though they are meant to be together and they will grow with each other no mbebo brapa no obejai sa boy because no di godmother ni trace na o follow no two after they wo na godmother with this goddaughter issue ubo se be sabem na godmother na ye Oja boy no mema boy what my catch was a mema boy akola ni nim say indirectly who cap ne dey babe yo maka efia bra madam no post akola no status hey that is my daughter I'm proud of you daughter no post akola no na boy say wo sika kakra no mo tro I won't make you give me your daughter no aba kwa bra ehwe bra we say ope wo he okono akochi ni sika wo enko foli o wo de wo jimi enko foli ko jini sika bra ne den this are what is going on. It is small girl already no na opempi akola ni man mema it only man need date here ni madam na ni godmother na ka kire ni say uni papa we ko no men ko foli o it at all cost ni pa ni ye kra na onye kra Akola ni di adwen a madam na ka che ne eden edinam into onye serious to that person. No akọ ne ene na da ne amani sika no de hye no no de kakra be ma god water no ebi omo anu ma se pie na be ma bi ebi omo te club na boy bi so hwe akola ne se o ka se me kwi abra on bra no te won o fili wo ade na on na ampa o ma akola na kwotse ni pan che no je number iti at the time na akola ni be realize say oye hook up no na ye too late bo say oni be ma be 1 2 3 5 aye den ada bo say na sika abedi akola ni nim so because god mother ni ko bebi oto atale ma no obema na aduane edi obema akola na look fine ama bebi onam bia ebema be ma ni sika. Now this god mother and god daughter issue no sana train here the echo isu kaninu obika say this is my god mother. The woman makes sure say obe take care of that child offering in the god daughter na akola na friend the god mother no obe make sure say obe order the steps of that girl. So go school obe bona manako school say bibi mpo no ya that person becomes a role model. Now so say enye sanity sa god mother god daughter issue no abe a thing of a trend bi a ekoso a say yenua mma no itu ya wufo na obani sisu no say o ma me kosra sister we see me be say no wa hwemu so because now say that is what these girls have been doing. God mother asen kola be pray and aman kola be pray so abo asesa na nka kola we hu monaguchi wo be so che me say onfa another god mother bi da wa fa bi and wo feel say o bi ase na monaguchi ti obey monaguchi na at least o social media celebrity no obey boana ma onu akola no so be do baby but no nim say underground you do some sacrifices. Sacrifice na chesa akola ni beleke akola ni bele some bad lifestyle since you allege na free akola ni num no. I am not saying say chinchine ya dia monaguchi ma akola na yo because betuma pasa akola ni twanto but akola ni dia all can nyoma esisi right now in our community and in our society ya dia pa bia ekoso wo say awofo bia ma na ni ko ni mamba ho itubo se obebi wo ni no aka twese ma me kwasha madam fu bi sister bi ono no ma me ma tare we sister we na to ma me wase me hwe mu nsu ye nsu wonim de oba ne ye. It's young girls abaso oh I am a god mother na ebisi say where da ba this is my rich auntie. Sa rich auntie no se bi odi ne ho e no di make iska iti ene no kola no dia betu on say they are always wanting to be like a vulture. They go on the man that the blood suckers of money. Jakola ne nam ni na no e hyeni tinum say bema woni ska de on kame ho e wo se me ye wa na me kope bema wo ska ti mema ne small girls ne betida iti ene leak video se ni nam ni na ene me hu video bi sex video bi e ba out na otumu say small girl no brand ne da no o ka chen say you buy me phone o. Say iPhone 11 Pro, 13 Pro, 14 Pro ya be sebi oba kwabrani ye juma utumu say juma we asimesi ye se nya no for be ani abrochi e beto amana eye bema na beto amano ti small ge besi so one iPhone we ya be one mema be 3 beda apalisika e dey akoto just phone iti enen kola na abano. They look at the god mother so say god mother no ebi mu kita car ebi mu kita this upcoming phones na o cha kola say ni say na o say we and say na o say wanya sa ade no and na boys no so mo ye shopping phone fraud boys no mu say yes e ya ade trend da o and the 14 Pro yi ene tu sha kola bia wo wi SS bebre na anya virgin bebre na so say ebia ko boyfriend bia e wo mu an akodwa ne ho kaka entisa o debi entisa ada to say young girl awesi so na adwen woni trimini na say she has to say Nkolanda have accepted say they have to use their body to get whatever they want. Adena monaguchi eti obi bese recently atete yempe omo ye celebrities omo social media omo ye influencers bebre na they influence people and na say me hu trends akole bi e fe no bongo ideas e kire say na na ba na mo ane se wa me ye de o ma dwi ni na ne de eyom ni na say be ma free baby e free abochi na Of baby ban or real might not a prominent na I will say ya no more there or more. It will say Colanum Nina. I yes psyche and I dear Tom Tim said no. You have to work with people who have money. But they do not know how these people got their money. It's a net, it's a try and collect it. Ko Nigeria, they are qua near Tracola, Catrema, near the Acola say yes, say, because a man are greedy and they have become blood suckers of money. They don't want to suffer. The young girls don't want to do anything. And a bebrena, you may juman kitten kitty akata meniso, and no one colebia, as me call makeup school or bois, hook up no yen no didn't sika. I see you me come media school be or bois, media school be brenda, come media schools, or me titifie, or make out to say Jumani and member down on your mother. This is what is going on in the country. It is our godmother, goddaughter issue, no. It is a whole thing that we need to talk about. And then you call na ban sebe ye mema na ye ka say ye petuo ye penyoma, but now it is going extravagant. Just say abro so e go extra mile untumi takon kola man no mabagana no ye see esua brofo but de bia me ka say bibini o ka so so abroni a oye mane bro so ye rice cooker say ye fania rice isu bibini or the rice cooker eye light soup or the rice cooker enua nyoma enua benkwan e de ye enkatenkwan ye dia di bi edi ma ebia ene ubenya chef bi ana other restaurant ebia na ye mudidi wo restaurant no minimo bi o ye chef o ye cook o restaurant o say microwave ye de ye nkwan so microwave ye say de hiti eduane bi ni de o de ade ma na obema ade na ya ade ma na ye den abroso iti kolawo school then times sa hiteyi abai mitimi ka mi ankasa mi wo ho a mitimi kofa nkosia na me de ahye burning kettle mu na me de shoulder shame na manua nkosia wo kettle mu so yamfa kettle nua nkosia bibini de bia boni ya de a ni atra ne de ni tusu atra te enkola na aba no se so mu kromas omo asimbro ofofo no se so obi anya wukapo uko Snapchat uko Instagram wukapo ni o let's be besties na ye di ya hu ti me ti oba bi kra no ka chem se me wo bestie a me buba o vefa be ma bestie ade ekoso in society and say this what has come on it ade na ade pa kan so ebie nyemu na guji kra e ade ekoso if the young girls will come out and come and tell what some godmothers be mudi omo ya you will be shocked. Godmothers live and godmothers live to me only shops not the akola na kotana no akola no dey na tena no or the akola ni make sales it e bi mu no wetima man say bra we di ni konefie ne ko jiska bre me okwane ni akola na da no akola na jiska boy ni be ma akola jiska no mo ache eyensem a ekoso yesi akola na hu ya so be gina kwan hu then ya so ni obi be chate they say adan a free hookup abeka say night yes they say a hangout yempie it ni pani ni ge ni pie na ge ni tim na onim say mi koi ye de me be kwa abonte akọ ye de me be kọ fie akọ akọ bi akọ dime aba vento to ami ti kola ni na omotwe no say aye say enye say say o hwe me eye won say me kasa eye no kure iti wo awofo na wo baba hwe ni ye na wansai ebusuafo na me de djumedie ebro me de limo elekem kwame amega ye de me catch us ensem na ba you give more details of it iti mami mo na guchi baby awo bia baba yi wa no and whatever it is in same way nyoma ekoso we need to tackle it na ya say nkola na yomo no mu say you they have been learning certain people who are calling themselves slave queens and godmothers awon interrogate man nkola ni area no bia enwo so mo ye we are not seeing our ladies anymore. They have become bloodsuckers of money. They have become greedy of money. They want to always follow the trends. They want to make money quick. Send and say the way these young guys have come and they all wanted to indulge into fraudulent stuff or scamming. That is the same way the ladies and the young girls who are coming, completing SHS, have now think that selling their body is the best option, that they can be independent. Some are just using the work they are doing as a cover-up to every bad deeds they are doing. So this godmother and goddaughter issue, it needs to be well tackled. That is what I am trying to say. Because before, it used to be on Snapchat that you have to hook up or show your nakedness. But now it has become, who hang out with me? So during the hangout, while the young girl is going out, or that godmother or goddaughter is going out, it is in the mind backside of that person, that lady, that when I goes out with this guy and we hang out, by the things that he will be able to buy, Surely I have to go home with him for him to sleep with me overnight. That is it. Hang out, hang out. And another trap of it is this WhatsApp groups hangouts. That is where these kids find themselves and they start chopping themselves. They will be having dirty sex and dirty stuff. It leak videos. Ebeba leak videos will continue to be coming out, and we will not be able to do anything about it. This is what is going on, and we are facing it. And some parent thinks, oh, my daughter, oh, I could leave it to me coffee. A child will go home and pretend to their parent that, oh, I am working. It is my boss who gave it to me. It is someone who just like me. It is a lie. When your child is using all these expensive phone and stuff, ask her very much how she did to get that kind of phone. The trend that is going on with this godmother and goddaughter issues is becoming unbecoming. It is too much. And the excuse people will give, hey, the country is too difficult. The economy is too hard. If the economy is too hard, join the men and start betting. Because I know certain ladies, because they don't want to sleep with other men and stuff, they have started betting. They have even entered into the boys' fraud, they are frauding. It will be better for you to save your integrity and your dignity as a lady. That is the truth. If it is bad, that's the only best option. Than ladies sleeping with other men just in the name of money. What I hate to hear when a young girl is saying, I have a godmother, I'm going to her. You have a godmother. You have a shower big mama who you are going to meet. Just tell the Ghanaians or tell your relatives that is what you are doing. To who a parent, when you are a parent and you are in the house, and you find out that your child has been going out with certain ladies who are self-independent, be careful and start to interrogate them. And find out how those people she claims that they are godmothers or people she's looking up to, if they are doing work as alleged people in the society they are living. We want a better Ghana and we want a better society. Because day in and day out, people are giving birth. And they will go to come and meet these dirty stuff that is going on. Madam Monagushi, wherever you are, please do your best. Whether this will be just a rumor or the girl is trying to tarnish your image as Adepa has done, or if it is true. Media, I know vividly that these are the things that is going on with this godmother and goddaughter, but I can't say emphatically you are the reason, because Adepa might have done this with someone else, and maybe because you are a popular person and she wants to tarnish your image, it might be so. But I am saying, come and defend yourself and give a hope, or gives the people who are coming up, the young girls who are coming up, to have the hope that, oh, having a godmother does not mean that your godmother will let you do all this kind of dirty stuff in the society. This hookup, sleeping with other men, or licking, or lesbianism, or all those stuffs, or these threesome stuffs. And the video be trending. Now young girl be video be trending. Young girl be di chireme. Na akola ketwa. Onye obi na akwachi na erepin. Onye obi na akwachi na eye ni bibi. No nka say no oye ni video. Nyansa bi anyway. Ono nka say yi no oye ni video. A young girl. What society are we going to see in the future now? And the name is still more Elikem Kwame Amegan. You can call me Efokent on all social media platforms. And you can find me Efokent. And on our YouTube channel, we are Xposed GH on social media, on Facebook, Instagram, on all social media platforms. We are called Xposed GH. Put your notification button down. When we post any video, you'll get it as soon as possible. And I will bring you more trending issues. And I will break down things into details for you to understand. That is the reason why we are here for you. You will never be bored on Xposed GH. I represent for Makramo. Na me catch that will say, Ejumeko aso ya say any will be say, need to say from no new mudika subum. Call them and have a good business to do with them. Do you want to advertise any product, your place, your business? Call us and we will have the best advertisement option for you. That's Sunday, Ebeseshia.
Only other for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodan na a dying and a wasie and a open chance in papa a day apostle and a dying with Timona since so to a nuno and nuntia ma one na aquaye bisi basa any and media sempa and natural things a be one more and some a day a mass uncle in us to sumikana bra one more akache now one more MMS so how no and no and fa and mau and unti for one more number it will screen no as soon as any one more in the air casubus as a woman to my son intino adansi for womo atum ne true things ana womo adwuma edan so na wontu sika engu da biara eda